Are you tired of the same old office lunch, stuck in a rut of dull sandwiches and lackluster salads? Craving something that's nutritious, delicious, and different? Well, we've got some healthy office lunch ideas that will add variety and nutrition to your midday meal. Here are some easy-to-make healthy lunch ideas that you can take to the office. To start, let's dive into vegan options. A hearty vegetable soup can be a warm and comforting choice, packed full of your favorite veggies, beans, and lentils for protein. Or perhaps a chickpea salad, a vibrant mix of chickpeas, fresh veggies, and a tangy dressing. Next, consider healthy salads that aren't just leafy greens. Try a quinoa and avocado salad, a perfect blend of crunchy quinoa, creamy avocado, and zesty lime. Or a kale and chicken salad, a protein-packed option with a satisfying crunch. Snacks shouldn't be left out of your healthy lunch routine. Trail mix, with its balance of nuts, dried fruits, and seeds, is a great energy-boosting choice. Nuts and berries on their own are also fantastic, offering a blend of heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Lastly, don't forget about superfoods. Chia seeds, for instance, can be added to your salads or snacks for an extra dose of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Spinach and blueberries are also superfood powerhouses, easily incorporated into your salads or as a part of your snack. These lunches are not just healthy, they're also delicious and easy to prepare. Now that you have these great lunch ideas, we encourage you to try them out. Don't just explore these meals in solitude, let the world be a part of your journey. Share your experiences, the triumphs, the tasty surprises, and yes, even the not-so-perfect attempts. Use the power of social media to inspire and be inspired. Use our special hashtag, #HealthyOfficeLunch, to make your experiences count. Share your lunch creations with us using #HealthyOfficeLunch. We can't wait to see what you come up with.